Hey human, welcome my food enthusiasts to another exciting episode of our culinary journey. Today, we're diving into the heart of northern Nigerian cuisine with a quick and easy take on a beloved dish, Tuwon Shinkafa. Now, to kick off things, we are going to prepare our Tuwon Shinkafa rice by first of all measuring out the desired amount of rice for our meal. Then we wash. The key here is to soak the rice to soften it up and prepare it for blending. Yes, you heard me right. So I like to soak mine in hot water. Immerse the rice in water and let it soak for approximately 2 hours. This step ensures that the rice becomes pliable, making it easier to blend into a smooth paste later on. This is what Tuwon Shinkafa looks like. Now, after a relaxing soak, it's time to transform our rice into a velvety paste. I love to drop in a couple of rice because I don't want it completely smooth. So you drain your soaked rice and transfer it to the blender. Blend until you achieve a smooth consistency like this. Basically, akin to a runny paste. This process helps to break down the rice grains, resulting in a texture that is perfect for Tuwon Shinkafa. So like I said, I like to have the chewy bites of rice, so I drop in just a little bit of my rice. Now that our rice is transformed, we are moving on to cooking it. So in your pan, medium heat, pour the blended rice. Start to stir continuously for about 5 minutes. It begins to thicken like so. This step is crucial for ensuring even cooking and preventing any lumps from forming. Do not forget this. Now, you stir as I am doing in this video. Tuwon Shinkafa is a northern Nigerian delicacy. It is typically made with a specific variety of rice cultivated for that purpose. Now, at this point, you want to add hot water. After stirring for about 5 minutes, it's thick, no lumps. So once your mixture starts to thicken, it's time to add hot water gradually. Cover it. This helps to achieve the desired consistency and ensure that the Tuwon Shinkafa cooks evenly. So do not forget, add hot water, cover the pan and allow the mixture to simmer for approximately, let's say, 15 to 20 minutes. Now that it is ready, you stir occasionally to prevent sticking or forming like really hard molds. After you patiently allow it to simmer and then for the rice to properly cook, it's time to unveil our masterpiece. Remove your lid and just continue to mold your paste like I am doing in this video. This is a perfectly cooked Tuwon Shinkafa, ready for you. You can serve it with any favorite northern Nigerian soups or stew for a truly authentic culinary experience. Now, like I was saying, It is made with specific variety of rice cultivated for that purpose. Fear not if you don't have access to it. I'll show you how to achieve that authentic taste and texture using readily available rice. Thank you for joining me as we embark on this adventure. Now I'm a northern girl, I'm a northern chick, I'm a northern lady. This is how I grew up, seeing my mom pack Tuwon Shinkafa, Tuwon Masara, Tuwon Semo. I just love the art of it. So having a little moist from the water in your calabash gives you this mold. I'll show you up close. But basically, folks, there you have it. A quick and easy method to whip up your batch of Tuwon Shinkafa right in your own kitchen. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or a novice in the world of Nigerian cuisines, this recipe is sure to impress. So, bring out your rice, don an apron, and let's get cooking. Don't forget to share your reaction and experience in the comments below. So, these are molds made from the calabash. You can absolutely use something we call in Nigeria Santana leather to package your tuwo. So wet that a little bit and make the way I grew up, it's preferable that you mold your swallow into small molds because they are better managed for eating. So you basically eat what you need. If you want to go for seconds, it is absolutely okay, so that you're not making a mess and all of that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you are going to give this recipe, this method, a try. So you soak for 2 hours in hot water, you blend into a runny paste and stir for about 5 minutes. Add hot water, cover to simmer for another 15 to 20 minutes. Mold, knead on that. Make sure everything combines beautifully. And I ate mine with Egusi Soup. You can eat this with miyan granite soup, and I have that recipe. I guess I'll see you in my next video.